Hello people, we have a quiz here, still on paper 4 of 062 Chemistry IGCSE for extended candidates, especially those that will be prepping for October-November series. So it goes 20.0 cubic centimeters of sulfuric acid H2SO4 reacts with 25.0 cubic centimeters of 0.200 moles per dm cube sodium hydroxide. The equation for the reaction is this. We've seen it. Calculate the concentration of sulfuric acid using the following steps. The first one is calculate the number of moles in 25 cubic centimeters of 0.200 moles per dm cube sodium hydroxide. So how do we go about this? We just use our relation N is equal to CV, okay? But the volume must be in dm cube, while C is the concentration of the sodium hydroxide in moles per dm cube. So if we substitute here, our C is this, which is 0.200 times our V is actually 25, but it must be divided by 1000 because we are converting the cubic centimeters to what? Cubic decimeters, because the concentration is already in moles per dm cube for the sake of conformity. So if we do this, we'll be having 0.2 times 0.025 because 1000 by this is 0.025. So that leaves us with our final answer here. Let me write it here is 5 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 mole, or better still, it's better written as 0.00500. This is 1, 2, 3, yes, mole. So it's better written in the natural form like this than in standard form. But both of them are still permissible answers. Okay, the second question here. Determine the number of moles of sulfuric acid that react with the sodium hydroxide. So this is where we use calculation involving our chemical equation. So it is between the sulfuric acid and the sodium hydroxide. And if you check the mole ratio, this is 1:2. How do I know? 2 is in front. When there is no number in front, it means it is what? 1. So the information we'll get from the balanced chemical equation here is that 1 mole of sulfuric acid reacted with 2 moles of what? Of the sodium hydroxide solution. Then from here, we've already got the number of moles of sodium hydroxide. Therefore, 0.00500 mole of the sodium hydroxide would react with what amount of the sulfuric acid? That's why I put X here, because it's an unknown. This is direct proportion method. We just cross multiply. If we do cross multiply, X will be equal to 1 times 0.00500 divided by 2 to be divided by this. So if we do this divided by 2, this will give us we can write the answer in 2 ways. In standard form is 2.5 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 mole, or 0.002500, because this is 1, 2, 3 mole. So either way, so let me write this natural form here, 0.00250. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. It's okay like this. All right, so that is to follow the 3SF format. Then the last one, calculate the concentration of the sulfuric acid in moles per dm cube as we here. So we use the formula, the titration formula, that concentration in moles per dm cube of the sulfuric acid equals the amount in moles, N is amount in moles, over the volume in dm cube. That gives us a straightforward answer. If you go back to using cover, that will take a long time and you still get the right answer do. So if we use this, the amount in moles which we've got here is 0.00250 divided by the volume in dm cube. What was the volume given for the acid? 20. So it will be 20 divided by 1000. So if we work this out, what will it give us? Divided by 20 by 1000. This will give us 0.125 moles per dm cube. So our final answer here is 0.125 moles per dm3. Of course, it follows the 3SF format. So it is this friendly and simple to handle. Yes, I said so. So remember to like, share, comment, follow us on Facebook, X, IG, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more items like this to come.